Clemencello, and I'm really excited to be able to talk to you today about my favourite thing in the whole world, which is sport. Sport has changed my life so much. I feel so lucky to have been able to have a career in sport. I love taking part in sport. I love challenging myself. I love getting fit. I love learning new things. I love meeting new people. So much of the different opportunities I've had and so much of the different successes I've had are because of sport. I'm so grateful for what sport has given me because it's changed my life. In some ways, I think sport might have actually saved my life. For me, sport has taken me right to the top of the world. For those of you that don't know, I've been very fortunate to compete as an Olympic bobsled athlete, to be able to travel the world, compete at 3 different Olympic Games, and become the best bobslayer in the whole world, become a world champion. For me, it's been fantastic. I've loved the different opportunities I've had. I actually competed for Team GB in 2 different sports. I competed in athletics first. However, the best thing is how it's changed my life, how it's given me confidence. When I was at school, I really struggled with sport. I wasn't confident. I was bullied for a long, long time. But the more sport I did, the more time I spent concentrating in my PE lessons, challenging myself, practicing in my garden, the better I got at sport. To start with, I could never catch the ball. I could never throw the ball. I couldn't get the right places. I didn't know how to talk to people. I didn't know how to be fit. But sport's fantastic in that the more you practice, the better you get. It's super, super simple. For me, my teacher told me if I worked hard in sport, I would get better. When I couldn't throw the ball, when I couldn't catch, when I couldn't run, when I couldn't do lots and lots of different things, I always kept that in my head. I pushed myself. I challenged myself. I tried to make myself just a little bit better every single day. That's how it's changed my life, how it's given me so many opportunities to go from being not talented at sport to being the best bobsleigh athlete in the whole world. Sport has changed my life, but it can also change your life. The biggest thing is, if you want to get better at something, you just have to practice, whether that be sport, whether that be art, whether that be music. Today, we're talking about how you can get better over the next summer, how you can get better at sport, how you can build your confidence. There are lots and lots of different ways you can get active this summer. You can stay involved in lots and lots of different sports. You don't have to be the best in the world. You don't have to be going to a club. You can try lots of different things. The first day my PE teacher told me, maybe if I practiced and worked really hard, I could make the school team. I went home and I practiced in my garden. Although I wanted to make the netball team, I only had a football. Me, it didn't matter. I got my brother and my sister to practice my throwing, practice my catching, and see how much they could get better. When I wanted to get better at my running, we used to run from one side of the garden to the other side. It was only about 5 meters long, so we had to stop really quickly. But it didn't matter. It was about trying and practicing and being the best that I could be. I'm going to challenge you guys over the summer, and I want you to really think about 4 different things. Now, the first thing, I want you to challenge yourself. So maybe your challenge will be to try and break your record, try and get a personal best. So if your 100-meter run, your best 100-meter run is in 20 seconds, why don't you practice every single day? For me to get better at sport, I had to practice every single day for years and years. You guys, practice every single day. Make it the thing you do straight after your breakfast in the morning. Make it the thing you do with your friends in the afternoon. Practice and challenge yourself. Try and be the best version of yourself that you can be. Maybe your goal will be to try and do 20 catches against the wall. Throw the ball and catch it 20 times in a row. Fantastic. Even if you can only do 1 now, that's okay. Sport is not about being amazing right now. It's about getting better. If you can do 1 today, can you do 2 tomorrow? If you can do 2 tomorrow, can you do 3 the next day? And by the time you get back in September, it'll be amazing how much you've improved. Maybe it's to try and take up running. Maybe some of you have seen the Couch to 5K app. You want to get out and get active. It doesn't matter if you can only run 100 meters right now and then you have to walk. That's okay. Tomorrow, try and run 150 meters. Try and run for 2 minutes. Try and just improve a little tiny bit. I've been able to become the best in the world, not from where I started as somewhere of talent, because every day I worked hard to improve just a little tiny bit. Challenge yourselves to try new things, to learn a new activity. Maybe this summer you want to learn how to juggle. Maybe this summer you want to get involved in a club. Challenge yourself to meet new people. It's not always about going and spending lots of money. Maybe you can just meet them in the park. Try doing something new. Wake up every day and set yourself a little challenge. And you'll be amazed before you know it. You start to improve, you start to learn, and you start to enjoy more. The second really big thing I want you to concentrate on this summer is believing in yourself. It's so easy to listen to that voice of negativity in your head that puts barriers in place that says, well, I can't do it because I can't do it because maybe my trainers are too small. I can't do it because maybe it's raining. I can't do it because I'm tired. I want you to break down those barriers. I want you to believe in yourself. You can do amazing things in sport, outside of sport, but the more confident you can become, the more enjoyment you'll get from sport. That comes from listening to that voice of positivity in your head, ignoring all of the voices that say you can't do it, ignoring the people that might put barriers in place, and really telling yourself those most important 4 words: I can do this. You can do anything you want to, but you just have to believe in yourself. The third thing that I want you to really concentrate on, we've got the most incredible summer of sport coming. July, August, we've had the European Cup, the football. It united everybody. It was amazing. Maybe your thing is football. Get out, kick a ball. It doesn't matter that you might not be in a club. It doesn't matter that you might not be that great at football. We can have so much fun going and either playing in the park, kicking a football around by yourself, maybe getting your dog to chase after the ball, maybe playing with some friends, maybe playing with your family. Get out, be inspired by an amazing summer of sport. We've had Wimbledon. We've seen some fantastic players. We've got all of the courts in the park. Get out. Maybe you can even play in your garden. Try new things. You don't always have to have the best facilities. Just give things a try. We've got the Olympics and the Paralympic Games coming up. It's going to be incredible. Try new sports. Watch the different events on the TV. See how people get better at their sports. So often you find Olympic athletes are not the most talented. They're the most dedicated. They triumph over adversity. They have roller coasters of journeys, good days, bad days, great performances, poor performances. Sometimes the people who are expected to win don't quite perform. Sometimes the people who aren't expected to win perform amazingly. We never know what's going to happen in sport. And that's one of the reasons why it's so, so exciting, not only to watch, but to take part in. The biggest thing I want you to try. You can go for a walk. You can get better at football. You can try trampoline and gymnastics, but always try your very best. The more sport you do, the better your life will be. You'll have more fun. You'll stay more active. You'll get fitter. We've had such a crazy difficult last year and a half. Now, have a fantastic summer of sport. Work hard. Work every day to find some way to stay active. We know the more active, the healthier you'll be and the better enjoyment you'll have. Have an amazing summer, guys. It's fantastic to talk to you.